Aries, this is your channel messages for the 16th and 17th of June. Aries, your channel cards are the Three of Wands, I like you, and Evil. So Aries, you're supposed to be the Emperor, okay? The Emperor does have a type of a tyrant type of energy, okay? The Emperor is usually very, very cool, all right? Him very standoffish. Him don't really have a lot of sympathy, okay? I'm kind of getting there's an Emperor, which is a man with money, a man with status, a man with power, who has been doing some nasty foul ass shit to you. Wait. I'm sorry, I was getting a call. I don't know whose child have them for whose child got my number? Do I have some kid fans? I need to start a YouTube Kids for them because they're not supposed to be watching this, okay? I don't know whose child just called me. They say, I'm sorry. It's so cute. Anyways, yes, I'm getting somebody is coming into your life to hurt you, all right? Evil, somebody evil as fuck, okay? This Emperor is very, very evil. That man is evil, no blood clots. If that man could have you, do a spell on you, and when him leave, you could have killed yourself, he would make it happen. Me getting a man is evil. This is the type of man who would have broken into your house and thief the whole of your shoes. This are the type of blood clot man where any melee get him cut it up. This are the type of blood clot man where him hack out your blood clot accounts, and anybody who will try to contact you for work, he must say, go fuck yourself to the employers. Me getting they don't want evil blood clot man, him evil. No, him being evil don't stop him from wanting your pussy. But me getting somebody is very, very evil. You should know that you're dealing with a demonic force. This is a demonic force you're dealing with. Me getting is an emperor, is a demonic force. So me getting this is gonna be one of your trials. This is gonna be one of your tribulations. Me getting like the Battle of Jericho. Me getting you're gonna meet an emperor. You're gonna deal with him. Me getting you deal with a demonic entity. All right. Cause me getting I like you. Me getting somebody coming in your life to cause you a lot of mental destruction. Me getting you start feel about harming other people. You start think about harming yourself after this man have sex with you. And then me getting the Three of Wands. Him gonna turn him back on you after. And he's hoping that's just like Marilyn Monroe, you might commit suicide in your blood clot bed. Me getting you dealing with a demonic force. That's who you're dealing with. The demonic force is supposed to torment you, make you feel unsafe, make you feel like you will have no love in your life, make you feel like nobody wants you. You're dealing with a demonic entity. You need to know this. And he is masked as an emperor. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Yeah, because somebody can't say I love you. They're incapable of loving. And demonic entities cannot respond well to love. Them can't say I care for you. Them can't say I like you. And can't say them love you. Demonic entities don't love. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Aries. I'm not sure this is you. Or whoever you're dealing with. Boy, I like you. I do. I want to be your friend. Go shopping in the Benz. I like you. I do. We will be better friends if I made you kill yourself. Hello, Emperor. Is this you? I don't know if you're dealing with a demonic force or you are the demonic force. Me getting evil, I like you, and Three of Wands. You're here to hurt somebody or to make somebody hurt themselves. This is the type of blood clot man who would have shaved off your blood clot head in your sleep. This is the type of man who would have make sure you're in a one car accident and cut off your blood clot legs. Me getting you dealing with a demonic entity. Him have money, and God knows what type of ritual he has taken part in. He probably frequents up in the mountains. And me getting that's what this man is here to do. He is covered by money and work and all of these things. Me getting, again, you're dealing with a demonic entity. You have to learn how for blood clot overcome demons. You're dealing with a demonic entity. This is the type of man who will make sure say you have no blood clot money. He will make sure say your blood clot starve. This is the type of blood clot man who he would have spent all type of... Brody, you're dealing with a demonic entity. Me getting him is here for trap you. Him is here for confuse you, for confine you. No love, no work, no money, no play, nothing. Me getting somebody that say this or them enjoy hurt greatly. Me getting somebody hate women, them don't like women. And me can't even... I like you. Yeah, you like them like it enough for you for be the next victim. We have the 9 of... Are you supposed to marry him? Blood clot. Girl. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Maybe him a try to make it that your only option is to be with him. Don't do that. Don't do that. No matter where your blood clot though. Don't go down the aisle. Don't put on the dress. I don't know what kind of force I'm going to use for this. Because I'm guessing you deal with a demonic entity. You deal with a demonic man. So I don't know what type of force I'm going to use on you. I don't know if somebody did ask about your blood clot shoe size. So them could have said it to a blood clot man. We don't know if they are the pizza in your fucking name. But what we do know is, by all means, do not be with this man. Do not marry him. He is incapable of loving. He is here for... This is the type of man, him would have tell you, for come move in with me. And I'm going to make your life a fucking hell. Him going to stress you the fuck out. Him going to cuss you. Him going to do nasty things to you. This is the man who will shit in your toilet and tell you to flush it. You're dealing with a demonic entity. And the man is so evil. Him rather is either so-called marry me or death. And death is not looking too bad. We have the 2 of Pentacles. And we also have the... Yeah, it's magic. Yeah, deal with a demonic entity. Him like to perform magic on you. This is the type of man, again, he will make you move in with him and he's going to isolate you. No phone, no technology, no dancing, no singing, no humming. You can't dress a certain way. Yeah, me getting... No. I don't know if you feel like this man is the only option, sweetie. You can do much blood clot better. You have to learn that in life, love is not about somebody who have money. Having money is an asset. Maybe you feel like, oh, I'm stuck in life. I don't have anything else. Like, what am I going to do with my life? This man is coming to me, and even though he's a fucking asshole, him kind of want to be with me. Yeah, to tear you the fuck down. You might be a beautiful female. You might be a female who you were never the one to take orders from a man. Him gonna make sure say him blood clot wreck you. Him gonna stretch you out and wreck you. Somebody's evil. Them is an evil demonic force. So don't accept no jewelry from them. Cause me getting him a look on you. And him looking on you for see when you're desperate enough for coming back. And this is a type of man, him will be nice to you, then be mean to you. Be nice to you, be mean to you. And he will always do that to you to keep you on your toes, to keep you in a confusing energy. You don't know. Anytime you come home, you don't know what to do. You don't know if I'm going to upset today or if I'm going to nice today. Girl, the Aries, this is your reading. Me getting you're doing this to somebody. Me getting you're a fucking evil demonic entity and you're trying to trap this girl. And you use magic on her. Is that what you think? Is that what you think? You think you're a blood clot, torment her, broken our house, do all type of things to her, spray paint shit on our house, make people stalk her until finally she break and be with you? That will never fucking happen, nigga. We have the 6 of Pentacles. You're gonna on your blood clot knees. Watch, you're gonna lose every fucking thing. The 6 of Pentacles is clarified by the Emperor. Yeah, you have so much money and power now. Watch. You mess with the right blood clot soul for knock you off your blood clot high horse. You're up on your knees now, I beg. 6 of Pentacles. You're going to lose everything. The 8 of Swords is clarified, but she gonna left you. Even if she blood clot tie up and she don't have nothing, she gonna left you. She going to leave you, and you know that. That's why you want to corner somebody. That's why you trap them. That's why you make sure them have no love, no friends, no family, no money, no support. Because you want you to be the only person them depend on. Meanwhile, you're going to give them blood clot breadcrumbs. Even when she tie up, she not blood clot there with you. She will never be with you. Never. Never. The Nine of Cups is clarified by the Four of Pentacles. See him on him knees over here and him on him knees over here. Yeah, he likes to get on him knees so much. I'm getting for a fucking evil man. Yeah, try to get away from him, and him is the one who's stalking you. Cause I'm obsessed with you. Cause him find him next victim for hold on pan. Him find him next victim for blood clot abuse. Make him know say all when you can't see, all when you can't walk, all when your hands behind your back, you're still not blood clot bow. Living in a world that is so hard to live in. To live this Christian life, you better start fighting. Believe the blood of Jesus under your Christian walking. Backbiting, killing, malice, cheating. Them a go weep. Teenagers, I know you're feeling the sexual desire. Peer pressure lick you and you feel for take some of the pressure. But listen to that song, yeah. No matter how the circumstances won't fall, we not go bow to no Satan. No matter how the circumstances won't come, I will worship, I'll worship. No matter how the circumstances won't fall, we not go bow to no Satan. Make it thing and not blood clot bow. No matter if you're hungry and white skull or blood clot eat you, you're not bow. Somebody going upon them blood clot knees and try to beg them, I'm gonna beg you for come back to them only for blood clot hurt you. Me getting, you need to make sure you do not go back to this demonic force. Somebody evil. This is the type of man he will urinate in your drink and give you for drink. Him evil. But me getting him gonna lose every blood clot thing. Watch. The Two of Pentacles is clarified by the does somebody have an evil twin? Call the Two of Pentacles, which is two of Uno. See the good one here. See the good one. See the nice one here. See the evil one here. No, we have three. We have three of Uno showing up in the reading. What the fuck is this? Me getting this are the man who tried to trick you. You're supposed to be with him. This could literally be you're supposed to be with an athlete. Me getting that one here running for trick you. So this one couldn't get to you. Cause this is the nice, you see this is a nice one. This is the one who will protect you. But him running for trick you. Me getting you weren't even supposed to meet this man. You even supposed to be with him. Somewhere, somehow, him find himself, me don't know, something about your birth chart him latch on to. Me getting a him you was supposed to be with, but then block you. And sending him. Make you think of him you're supposed to be with. Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Me getting something is going to be switched back again. Switch out. Me getting the evil one. Me getting somebody gonna lose everything. The Magician is clarified by the Page of Swords. Yeah. Me getting his magic. Me getting you literally you wasn't supposed to be with him. You was supposed to be with him. But me getting him a try to make you believe you're supposed to be with him. But me getting you notice there's something off. Him keep put you through the same shit. Him keep do the same blood clot thing to you even though him say I'm sorry. And he cannot say I love you. Yeah. Cause you deal with a blood clot demonic entity. You need to know that. We are dealing with Beelzebub. I'm not Baphomet this. This is not Baphomet. This is a Beelzebub. Who the fuck is this? Hold on. Somebody might deal with shit. Them is a shit. Them have shit stains in them underwear. Them smell like shit. Especially when you have sex with them. I getting you smell shit. Maybe a Beelzebub. I don't know where you deal with. I don't know if you deal with a man, Beelzebub. There's so much of them. Maybe you're dealing with Baal. Because me getting somebody Christian. So you're dealing with a Christianic demonic force. It could be Jewish. Baal birth. Boitos. Let me look Boitos. Boitos. Yeah, me getting somebody love to talk about the past. Them love to bring up your past and evil shit and terrible shit what happened to you. Or them love to bring up me getting even when you want somebody decide for dead arguments, them keep a bring up the argument again. Like somebody want to keep you up on a blood clot spinning disc. Me getting on a him you're supposed to deal with, a him you're supposed to marry. Me literally getting the real one in your closet. The real one in a closet tie up. And this fake one and the one who you had there with, you have mingle around, you have sex with. It wasn't supposed to be him. Here's your counterpart. But me getting, even when you couldn't say, even when him blind you, even when him tie you up, me getting you still say, you better kill me. Me not blood clot there with you. Me not fucking bout to you. Me getting you walk away. You walked away from this demonic entity. Me getting somebody deal with yeast. Yeast. Me getting yeast. Hold on. Me think somebody they want to drown you. Aries again. Bumbo clot, man. Aries. Yeah, both of them have the same name. They might even do the same job. Both of them might be singers. Both of them are athletes. But literally getting a clone or an evil twin or a doppelganger. Aries. But me getting you knew something was wrong with this man. Like him archetype off. Like you say, no, something wrong, man. Something just keep a nudge you to stay away from him. It keep a tell it, something keep us say stay away from the man, stay away from him. Don't, me no know, me getting you would not. Maybe that's why maybe him abandon you. Cause me getting him a try control you and put this spell on you, but you keep a rebuke it, you keep a fight it. And him says, fuck, me can't control this one. Him left you. Left you without a trace. We have illness. Yeah. We have human and sex trafficking. That's why them ask about your blood clots, shoe size. Illuminati. You think me don't know one fuck as a blood clot though? Go suck on a mother. Think on can blood clot stop this? Go suck your big pussy blood clot mother. We have Aquarius and we also have Pisces. Again, Illuminati here. I'm getting some crazy shit. Two of them was supposed to, me getting them look alike. Me getting the real one, they tie up. Like the real one, they tie up. And him decides, say, because one of them is sitting down, one of them is standing up. Yeah, him want your blood clot bow to him. But him a stand up, him standing. Him off him chair. Me getting something I tell you, something says something wrong, man, something wrong. Me getting you're supposed to have this big blood clot wedding. But me getting something I tell you, everything at points that this is the man you're supposed to be with. Me getting something I tell you, no. Don't yield, don't say sorry, don't blood clot apologize, don't text them back, don't do it. And me getting somebody just left you alone, cause you're not a blood clot bow. Yeah. No matter how the circumstances want fall, no matter if we're broke, no matter if we don't have love, no matter if we're blood clot alone for 30 days and 30 blood clot nights, we're not about to no blood clot Satan. And me getting you knew that somebody was a demonic blood clot force. And that's why you stay away from them. I don't know if you're going to meet the man you're supposed to meet. Because me getting there's two of them. An evil one and a good one. But me getting the evil one say that this bitch now listen. And I'm glad I'm whatever attitude, whatever difficultness that people say that you're so difficult to deal with, I'm glad that you remain difficult and not remain submissive. That probably saved your blood clot life while I'm abandon you. Had you been submissive, he would have fucking trap you and you would have kill you. Or ultimately get you to kill yourself. I'm going to leave it here. Aries. Until next time, goodbye.